Hello, so I have another sorta what the fuck moment again. If you saw my other video with the Flip Camcorder, I was unable to upload these videos up to YouTube, or use the videos anyway, so I decided I was going to use my television to record them with my webcam, even though that of course would be, and it'd be, I mean, already the quality is, you know, substandard anyway, and recording it that would make it even less substandard. But in that other video I showed, it wouldn't turn on. But amazingly, bought some new batteries again, and I was buying them for my Wiimotes. I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna see if it'll work. I'm gonna have to take this. Y'all ready? I'm about to be. I was waiting for you to call me, so I wouldn't just show up and you'd be naked. Blah 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 blah. It worked amazingly. So I'll be doing what I had said I would be doing. I'd use my television to record the videos, but there's just one little problem, and it has to deal with the video that I really wanted to put up on YouTube. The one where my cousin is doing a little treasure hunt, and where she's given some clues and she has to go from room to room solving the clues, and it finally ends up with her back at the starting point. She hears this ringing, she looks at the schnauzer, she picks it up, then she pulls the phone out of the battery compartment of the dog, and it's like, ah! Screaming and yelling. It's just so funny. I really wanted to put that up on YouTube, but every time I play that video, it freezes up and then becomes unplayable. And of course, once I play that video, all my other videos become unplayable. But I've already checked all of the videos, so as long as I don't play that particular video, I can play the other videos. But those aren't the videos I want to upload. I want to upload the one that's unplayable, so... And I'll show you the little bit I can in this video. So, just a moment. So, this is the video that I really wanted to put up on YouTube, but failed.
And she looked like the abominable snowman over there.
Okay, I hope you like the riddles, so here we go. Treasure awaits if you will only look where Grandpa might go to get a book. Computer, right? I'm gonna have to like reread them.
Are you taking that? Are you taking?
As you can now tell, it's unplayable. And for some reason, once this video gets played, none of my other videos can play. Click around into that, turn off, take out the batteries, put them back in, and turn back on. And I get my videos back, including the one that doesn't play. So, I'll be playing all these videos like this, even though they're going to be very poor quality. I just want to be able to record videos again, even if I am unable to use them.